Can I have Dr. Unmesh Khanvilkar, Secretary of the Mumbai Cricket Association? Can I also have celebrities from the Marathi industry, Gaurav More, as well as Prabhakar More, to please come up on stage. A big round of applause for them. Gaurav, kindly right. Prabhakar, kindly left, please. Good evening, everyone, and a very warm welcome for the post-match presentation of Mumbai's most prestigious cricket tournament, that is the 129th Harry Shield final at the most iconic venue in the history of Mumbai cricket, that is the Wankhede Stadium in Mumbai, where defending champions Anjuman Islam Alana faced Al Barakat MMI English School in the Summit Clash. Of course, we all know what happened through the 3 days, and it was the defending champions Anjuman Islam who won right 2 times in a row, last year as well as this year, crowned yet again the newest champion. So big round of applause for the Anjuman Islam team. And a bigger applause for our runner-up team, Al Barakat, because you don't lose, you only learn. It is from this very tournament that several stars like Dilip Vengsarkar, Ajit Wadekar, Sunil Gavaskar, Vinod Kamli, the newest of the lot, Shreyas Iyer, Rohit Sharma, Yashasvi Jaiswal, Sarfaraz Khan, Shardul Thakur, and most recently Ayush Mahatre were born and further went on to represent India. For over a century, the Harris Shield has stood as a symbol of excellence, discipline, and the spirit of cricket in Mumbai. High-scoring matches, intense rivalry, selectors watching, big crowds right here at the Harris Shield final. And I think this final is nothing short of a World Cup final because we have all of you today. So big thank you to all of you for coming out in large numbers to support our boys who are the future of Mumbai cricket. A special thank you to D.Y. Patil, MIG Cricket Club, Gymkhanas, of course the Wankhede Stadium, Karnataka Sporting Club, National CC, Cross Azad Oval Maidans, Shivaji Park, Jolly Gymkhana, Matunga Gymkhana, and of course one of our favorite venues, the Dilip Vengsarkar Academy, for hosting the matches over the month and a half. A record 200 plus teams have participated this year, which is a milestone in the history of the tournament. I think no other tournament in the history of cricket will have 200 plus teams in. SG balls being used in every single match. SG vouchers were given to every man of the match. Therefore, a big thank you to SG as well as Red Fox Corporation for their continued support. A bigger thank you to the Mumbai Cricket Association, its office bearers, Apex Council members, past, present, and most importantly, our dear selectors for coming out to watch every single match, including the final. This is a 14-a-side tournament, just giving you a recap, an initiative by Sachin Tendulkar and of course our legend Nadeem Memon. Played across 3 days following the 80-80, 40-40 overs format. And of course, I'll say this repeatedly again and again, this is only possible because of the great efforts of Mr. Nadeem Memon and his entire team who work tirelessly to ensure grassroots cricket is developed on a major scale. The man with the Midas touch, please give him a big round of applause. Of course, MSSA is pleased to announce that India cricketer Yashasvi Jaiswal, not sponsoring one, but today I got the information he's sponsoring all the 3 kits for the best batter, best bowler, and the best all-rounder of the tournament. In fact, it's so special when cricketers who are bred from here come back and tell us we want to give to the sport in the biggest way, and they want to come back and give back to the Harris Shield from where they started. Also, thanks to Dimple Joshi, Jaideep Marar, Director Victorious Endeavours, for sponsoring the jerseys for the top elite teams. Indian cricket legend Sachin Tendulkar's recently launched sports shoes and apparel brand that is 10XU has provided cricketing clothing to the top elite teams. Caps were given to the cricketers by MSSA, and the best thing that could ever happen is Fan Code produce live coverage of the semi-finals as well as the final for the world to see, not just who the next gen is, but even the current crop of stars are. So big round of applause to everyone involved in this tournament. Firstly, I'd request Mr. Nadeem Memon to felicitate our chief guest, former India cricketer, Mr. Dilip Vengsarkar. Please give a big round of applause for our chief guest, Mr. Dilip Vengsarkar. Special felicitations for Mr. Karsan Khavri, our guest of honor, by Mr. Nadeem Memon. Keep the claps going, please. Felicitations for Dina Adalji, former captain of the Indian women's cricket team. So a big round of applause for her as well. Please keep the claps going. Also, special felicitations for stars of the Marathi industry. Firstly, Gaurav More, a phenomenal star, my very dear friend from Mumbai Indians to Harishil. I think he's had a phenomenal journey, so thank you for coming, Gaurav. Please keep the claps going. Thank you. Can I have Dr. Zahir Qazi on the stage, please? Please, Dr. Zahir Qazi, President of the Anjuman Islam Institution, Padma Shri, radiologist, and so much more. And also, can I please have Mr. Sanjay Patil on stage, Chairman of Selectors, Mumbai Ranji Trophy team. Also, can I have Mr. Imran come up on stage from Al Barkat? Special felicitations first for Dr. Zahir Qazi. Firstly, congratulations, sir. And thank you so much for being present. President Anjuman Islam. Also, Padma Shri, thank you so much for being here today. A big round of applause for your boys. Thank you support you. Special felicitations for Dr. Unmesh Khanvilkar, Secretary, Mumbai Cricket Association, someone who's always been there for all of us, come what may. super supportive of grassroots cricket and a big cricket enthusiast himself, a doctor by profession. So thank you so much for coming, doctor. Also, special felicitation for Mr. Sanjay Patil, Chairman of Selectors, Mumbai Ranji Trophy, as well as the Under-23 Mumbai team. Thank you so much for being here. He's always been a star selector for all of us, supporting grassroots cricket in Mumbai, as always. Thank you so much for being here today. Special felicitations for Mr. Prabhakar More, a star from the Marathi industry as well. So big round of applause for him as well. Thank you so much, More sir, for coming. Mr. Imran from Al Barkat MMI English School. I request Mr. Nadeem Mehmet to please felicitate him. Thank you so much, dignitaries. You may please take your seats. Felicitations continue. Firstly for Mr. Ghulam Parkar. Felicitations for Dr. Dimple Joshi, Director, Victorious Endeavours, who's been super supportive since the last 3 seasons of the Harris Giles Trophy. This year sponsoring the jerseys to our top LE team. So big round of applause for her as well. Special felicitations for Mr. Ravi Thakkar, Selector, Senior Ranji Trophy Team, Mumbai Cricket Association. A big round of applause for Mr. Ravi Thakkar as well for coming all out to support our boys. Thank you so much for being here. Felicitations. Band, please. Mr. Zulfikar Parkar, Selector Under-19, known as Zulfi Sir to all of us. He's been a brilliant cricketer with more than 45 first-class matches. Holds the record of catching 8 catches behind the wicket. So brilliant wicketkeeper himself. Also, felicitations for Mr. Prashant Sawant, Selector Under-19. A big round of applause for Mr. Prashant Sawant as well. They've all come out in large numbers to support Mumbai cricket. So thank you so much, sir. Felicitations for Mr. Mandar Phadke, Chairman of Selectors, Under-16 Mumbai Cricket Association. A big round of applause for our Chairman of Selectors. Thank you so much for being here today, Mandar sir. Also, we have Mr. Sudhakar Harmalkar, Selector Under-16. A big round of applause for him as well. This is one tournament where every selector is present. So I think this is history. Thank you so much to all of them for being present here in large numbers to support our Mumbai boys. Felicitations for Mr. Jai Prakash Yadav, JP Sir, Selector Under-16. A big round of applause for him as well. Thank you so much for being here today, JP sir. Felicitations to Mr. Jaideep Marar, Director, Victorious Endeavours as well. A big round of applause. He's been so instrumental in supporting over the last 3 seasons. So a big round of applause for him as well. Felicitations for Mrs. Rizwana Ishad, Principal, Anjuman Islam Alana. Big round of applause for her as well. Congratulations on your team winning the final for a 2nd time in a row. Also special felicitations to Mr. Shafi Sheikh, Anjuman Islam Education Chairman. A big round of applause. He's been here to support his team over the last 3 days. So a big round of applause for him as well. Not just one but a special team with us today, led by Rahul Ramugudi, captain Mumbai wheelchair cricket team and Team India player wheelchair cricket team, and his entire team is here to support our boys in Mumbai cricket. So a big round of applause to him as well. I request Dilip sir to please felicitate him as well. Kadu sir, please, I request all our dignitaries to give him a big round of applause. Please give them a standing ovation because what they do, no one does. Can I have the other team members as well, if possible? They are champions of the game, the real champions. They dive, they play cricket, they score runs, they stop boundaries. So a big round of applause for them. Also, special felicitations for Mr. Bhushan Patil, who's been so integral. Sir, please can you come up? Sanjay Patil felicitating Bhushan Patil. So what better can it get? Felicitations for Mr. Himmat Bhai Bagalia. Felicitations for Mr. Safi as well. Can I please have you on stage, sir? Felicitations to Mr. Atul Surve, former Mumbai player. Can I please have you on stage, Atul, sir? Mr. Atul Surve, former Mumbai player. Also, Mr. Atul Chaudhary, also former Mumbai player. Please, can I have you on stage, sir? Thank you so much for being present. Atul, Nishit Shah. Nishit bhai, please can you come up on stage from Ghatkopar Jolly Gymkhana. Thank you so much for being here today. A big, big thank you. Special felicitations for Mr. Jitendra Tamore. Please, sir, can I have you on stage as well? A big round of applause for Mr. Jitendra Tamore. His son Hardik plays for the Mumbai Ranji Trophy team. So, a big round of applause for Jitendra Tamore as well. Mr. Girish Malapurkar. Can I have felicitations from Mr. Jitendra Gohil, Bama sir. Please can I have you on stage, sir? Big round of applause for Bama sir. Also, felicitations from Mr. Vijendra. Please can I have you on stage, sir? Also, Mr. Namji is here, so big round of applause for him as well. Thank you so much for being here.
Ramji bhai, you have come here. It is very good thing for us because he's the most senior member. वानखेड़े स्टेडियम जब बना नहीं था जब से ये एक्टिव है और आज हमारे पीछे आए हैं. Thank you very much. Thank दिलीप भाई to bring him here today. And करू भाई, thank you भाई.
Also, Mr. Rohit Shah, can I have you, sir? Thank you so much for being here today, Mr. Rohit Shah. A big round of applause for him. All these people help us throughout the year, being super supportive of grassroots cricket. So, a big round of applause to him as well. Also, Mr. Kishore Kuawala, can I please also have you on stage, who's been super supportive of Mumbai cricket. Thank you so much for being here today.
Come on, Kishore bhai, jaldi aao. Traffic stop.
Also, we have Hema Fatke ma'am. Please, can I have you on stage as well? Hema Fatke ma'am. Thank you so much for being here today. Talking about now our guest of honor, Mr. Karsan Ghavri. He comes from Saurashtra, but he's a pure breed Mumbaiker. He made his mark on the Indian School Team Tour of Australia in 1968-69.
Well, my dear friend Dilip Venksarakar, the chief guest, and the rest of the distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and all the participating the cricket team, the school teams, my heartiest congratulations to Anjuman Islam High School for winning the trophy a second consecutive years. And I can tell you very honestly and very purely that the Indian cricket, Mumbai cricket, is in your hand. You know, you are the guys. You're going to take this cricket forward, and I'm sure if you work hard, make yourself disciplined. I'm very sure so many Tendulkar, so many Rohit Sharma, and so many other great cricketers will be produced from Mumbai. And my heartiest congratulations to Mumbai Cricket Associations, all the officials, president, vice presidents, secretaries, the Apex Council members, and whoever is connected with MCA. They are giving a great opportunities to the school level cricket till the there is no end. I mean they've been giving the opportunities to everyone. So keep doing a good work, keep working hard, and I'm very sure as the time progresses, the Mumbai will produce more and more great cricketers. And जहाँ तक एक मेरा ख्याल है कि अंजुमन इस्लाम हाई स्कूल ये जीता है, तो मुझे लगता है कि मुझे 2-4 लफ्ज़ उर्दू में कहना चाहिए. तो ख्वातीनो हज़रात, मैं अपनी दिली हकीकत, मोहब्बत और शौकत के साथ आप तमाम सुरमाओं को मुबारकबादी पेश करता हूँ उस चमकते हुए कारनामे के लिए जिन्होंने क्रिकेट की तारीख को एक यकार बख्श एक इज्जत दी है. अल्लाह मियाँ ने चांद सूरज सितारे बनाए हैं, ये एक जादू है. बस इसी तरह का जादू आप बिखेरते रहो, क्रिकेट की दुनिया को आबाद करते रहो. Anyway, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, and it has been a great pleasure to be here. Thank you, Nadeem bhai. Thank you, Mumbai Cricket Association. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
Thank you, Kadu sir. Really, really means a lot. I'd now request Dr. Unmesh Khanwilkar, Secretary of the Mumbai Cricket Association, to
नमस्कार. इथे उपस्थित पूर्ण व्यासपीठ, आजचे प्रमुख पाहुणे, भारताचे माजी कर्णधार दिलीप वेंगसरकर सर, महिला कर्णधार डायना एडुलजी मॅडम, करसन गावरी सर, जहीर काझी सर, प्रभाकर मोरे आहेतच इकडे, गौरव आहेत, पण आमच्या मुंबईचे सिलेक्टर आणि चेअरमन संजय पाटील आणि अल्बर्ट कच्चे सर, आणि त्याच्यापेक्षा मोठे म्हणजे बिनिशाच्या लिस्टमधले असलेले सगळे हे आहेत ते सगळे. एक सांगायचं असं आहे की ह्या टुर्नामेंटला इकडे जी मुलं आहेत, कोण मला सांगू शकते कितवं वर्ष आहे? तुम्ही मुलगा आहे म्हणजे लहान, खेळणारा मुलगा कोण मला सांगू शकतो कितवं वर्ष? जिंकली अंजुमन, सांगते अलबरकत 129. पण दोघांचंही कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन, आणि खास करून अंजुमनचं कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन, कारण सेकंड टाइम ते जिंकलेत सलग. आज मुंबई क्रिकेट असोसिएशनचा सेक्रेटरी म्हणून मला तुम्हाला काही गोष्टी सांगायच्या आहेत. आज इकडे जे सगळे आलेत, नदीम भाईंनी सगळ्यांचा सत्कार केला आहे, आणि ह्या गोष्टीकडे दिलीप सर आणि करसन गावरी सर, डायना मॅडम, तुमचं खास लक्ष असावं की इथे जे बसलेत, आज ज्यांनी त्यांना पुष्पगुच्छ दिला, शाल दिली, पण जेव्हापासून ही टुर्नामेंट चालू होते मुंबई क्रिकेट असोसिएशनमध्ये एक भांडण चालू होतं, आणि ते भांडण नदीम भाई घेऊन येतात की मला ग्राउंड कधी मिळणार आणि मला चांगलं ग्राउंड कसं मिळणार. त्याच्यासाठी तुमच्यासाठी हा माणूस भांडत असतो आमच्याशी, आणि ते भांडणाचा चांगला गोड म्हणजे गोड शेवट वानखेडे स्टेडियमवरती होतो, याच्यापेक्षा चांगला अनुभव असू शकणार नाही. त्याचप्रमाणे आज आमच्या अपेक्स काउन्सिलतर्फे विघ्नेश कदम इकडे आहे, आमच्या टुर्नामेंटचा कोऑर्डिनेटर आहे, आणि आम्ही तोही तेवढ्याच वेळा, आणि त्याचबरोबर सुशांत आहे, आणि आमची पूर्ण कमिटी म्हणा त्यासाठी, म्हणजे अजिंक्य आमचे प्रेसिडेंट आहेत, व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट, जॉईंट सेक्रेटरी निलेश भोसले, हे सगळे बसून या ग्राउंडसाठी त्याची ती तळमळ असते. अरमान भाई असतात की हे ग्राउंड मुलांना जास्तीत जास्त चांगले कसे मिळावे याच्यासाठी 9 वाजेपर्यंत बसून रात्री ग्राउंड दिले गेलेले आहेत तुमच्यासाठी. हे कोणासाठी आहेत? तर या मुलांसाठी. 129 वर्षाची ही टुर्नामेंट आहे का 1-2 वर्षाची नाही. 1897 पासून चालू झालेली टुर्नामेंट आहे, अशीच चालू राहावी याच्यासाठी मुंबई क्रिकेट आज आम्ही आहोत. उद्या कोण नवीन येतील आणि नेहमी त्याच्यासाठी कार्य करतील. पण त्याचबरोबर आपल्या क्रिकेट असोसिएशनमध्ये जे क्लब्स आहेत, जसं बिनिशाने नावं घेतली, पण घाटकोपर जॉली जिमखाना आहेत, त्यांच्याकडून आता इकडे आलेले आहेत. त्याचप्रमाणे जे आपल्याला इतर जिमखाने जे देतात ती लोकं आलेली आहेत. पालघर डहाणूपर्यंत मॅचेस होतात, तिकडनं लोकं आलेली आहेत. हे सगळे तुमच्यासाठी ग्राउंड देत असतात. आज MIG म्हणा, इतर सर्व, ते ह्या सगळ्यांसाठी जोरदार टाळ्या तुम्ही वाजवल्या पाहिजे आणि पुढच्या वर्षीही त्यांनी आपल्याला चांगले ग्राउंड द्यावे. आणि हे सगळं करत असताना जसे आपल्याकडून आतापर्यंत स्टार्स गेले, जसं हिने नावं घेतली, अगदी दिलीप सर इकडे आहेत, गावस्कर सर आहेत, इतर सर्व स्टार आले, सचिन सर आहेत, रोहित शर्मा आहे, सगळे मोठे मोठे स्टार झाले आणि ह्याच्यातूनच आम्हाला पुढे स्टार्स बघायला मिळतील आणि त्याच्यासाठीच आमचे सिलेक्टर्स आहेत. आय थँक ऑल द सिलेक्टर्स फॉर बिंग हिअर. आणि खूप मेहनत ते घेतात. काही लोक टुर्नामेंट घेतात. आज सुर्वे सर इकडे आहेत. सुर्वे सर, त्यांची जी टुर्नामेंट होते, जी बाबा सुर्वे म्हणजे तुकाराम सुर्वे सरांच्या नावाने होते, आज त्याच्यातले परफॉर्मर आज इकडे खेळत आहेत आणि त्यांना तो चान्स मिळतोय आणि ह्याच्यातूनच मुंबईचे स्टार्स पुढे घडतील. एवढं सांगून माझे 2 शब्द संपवतो आणि तुम्हाला सर्वांना बेस्ट ऑफ लक देतो. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.
Thank you, Doctor. Truly inspirational. Also, I'd quickly like to invite Dr. Ejaz Ashai, a renowned physiotherapist, been with the Mumbai Cricket Association, celebrity cricket teams. Please, sir, can you please come up on stage? We'd like to felicitate you for a continuous support over the years. Thank you so much. Also, I'd like to invite Mr. Pramod Yadav, Mumbai Cricket Association Apex Council member, to please come up on the stage. So thank you so much for being here today to support all of us. A big round of applause for Mr. Pramod Yadav. Also, special felicitations for Mrs. Bhatia. Please, can I also have you on stage? Mrs. Bhatia? Ms. Clarence Bhatia, please, can I have you on stage? Thank you. I request Diana ma'am to please felicitate her. Mrs. Bhatia, please, thank you so much for being here today. A big round of applause for her. Mrs. Sovarna Bhatia. Thank you so much for being here today. We also have the president of Anjuman Islam, Dr. Zahir Qazi. He's been superb, always been there. In fact, we saw his reel coming to support the boys last 3 days. Sir, 2 words from you, please.
Good evening, everyone. Congratulations to the winners and the runners-up. Al Barakat, you really played well. You could have been the champions also. Some of the speakers today did mention that it is second consecutive year that Anjuman is wearing Harris Shield. But if you go into the history of 129 years of Harris Shield, the highest number of time that any institution has won this trophy, it is Anjuman Islam. We are proud to let you know that we have produced 6 test cricketers and a lot number of Ranji Trophy players, and some of them are knocking the doors at the Ranji Trophy level as well as for the test matches. I remember having seen one video where Sachin Tendulkar was interviewed on the eve of his selection to take part, play against Pakistan. And he said, the match that we played, his school played against Anjuman Islam at Brabant Stadium. And both the teams scored same number of runs and the trophy was shared. And for the first time, Sachin Tendulkar scored a double century. And that match was witnessed by none other than late Raj Singh Dongarpurji. He then and then immediately said he will start playing for CCI. And Ajit Agarkar has also, no, Ajit Tendulkar has written a book about Sachin. I think somewhere he has mentioned that his coach Achrekar Sahib, Achrekar sir used to tell him, a batsman is the one who scores a century against Anjuman, and Sachin, you need to score a century against Anjuman. So that was a benchmark at that point of time. And I'm very happy that the boys have done it for the 2 consecutive years. And it is amazing, 129 years to conduct this tournament and 100 teams participating in it. 200 teams. And Nadeem Memon, how do I describe this man? You like him, you hate him, whatever you call him. He is one, you can't ignore him. The fact of the matter. And cricket is everything for him. Very big-hearted and broad-shouldered man. He loves his friends and he loves his enemies as well. That's his characteristic of Nadeem. And you have been doing a wonderful job, and you're a great friend of Anjuman as well. And I remember at some point of time, Vengsarkar Sahib also talking to me that he used to also watch when our coach used to train Anjuman team. And he has a lot of regards for Anjuman as well. He's a great friend of Anjuman. And all the dignitaries on the dais for, आपने इतनी बेहतरीन उर्दू की आज जो गुफ्तगू की, उर्दू के साथ आपने बहुत इंसाफ किया आज. बहुत अच्छे अल्फाज में एक जो तलफ़ुज़ भी इनका था कि शेख साहब बहुत बेहतरीन. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका भी. एंड ऑल द कोचेस फॉर Al-Barakat and Anjuman, thank you very much, great job. And finally, last but not the least, the MCA. MCA, Mumbai Cricket Association, is the ultimate in Indian cricket. And they have been so big-hearted that they allowed the final to be played here. I think from tomorrow onwards, no matches will be played because of the World Cup matches to come. And it's incredible. And whenever the elections come for MCA, when the people come to Anjuman to canvass for their candidatures, I have told them it is at the school level that we should put in more efforts, because from there the talent comes. And I think they are doing a great job. And thank you very much, Nadeem, for inviting me. इस नाचीज़ को आपने इतनी इज्जत बख्शी, इसलिए आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
सन्माननीय व्यासपीठ, मंचावरती उपस्थित सगळे मान्यवर, मी खूप छोटा आहे त्यांच्यासमोर, कारण माझं जेवढं वय नाही त्याच्या डबल त्यांची कारकीर्द आहे. आणि मी आज MCAचे आभार मानतो, संपूर्ण नदीम सरांचे आभार मानतो की त्यांनी आज आम्हाला इकडे इन्व्हाइट केलेलं आहे. खूप मोठा कार्यक्रम आहे. हॅरिस शील्डबद्दल मी खूप पूर्वी वाचलेलं आहे, नंतर मी सर्च केलेलं आहे. खूप मोठी लेगसी आहे. 129 वर्ष म्हणजे छोटी गोष्ट नाही आहे. त्यातून आपल्याकडे नवीन नवीन प्लेयर्स आलेले आहेत आणि आज अजून काही प्लेयर्स काही वर्षांनी आपल्याला मुंबईमध्ये आणि इंडियन टीममध्ये खेळताना दिसतील. खूप मोठे मोठे सिलेक्टर्स आज आम्हाला भेटले. फडके सर आम्हाला भेटले. त्यांचं कार्य तिने आम्हाला सांगितलं की कुठल्या लेवलला त्याचं काम चालू असते. आणि क्रिकेट फक्त आम्ही टी व्हीवर बघणं आणि प्रत्यक्षात अनुभवणं याच्यात जमीन आसमानचा फरक आहे. आज तो अनुभव मी घेतला. आज मी मुंबईत राहतोय, पण आज मी पहिल्यांदा वानखेड्याच्या ग्राउंडला टच केलं. मी क्रिकेटर जरी नसलो तरी आम्ही आपल्या एरियात खेळवल्या सगळीकडे, पण त्या ग्राउंडवरती गेल्यानंतर ऊर्जा आली आणि मग मला कळलं की प्लेयर्स का ग्राउंडवरती असतात आणि ते का खेळतात. मी जेव्हा मॅचेसला आलो, मी IPL असेल, वर्ल्ड कप असेल, T20च्या मॅचेसला येतो, तेव्हा तो माहोल फक्त मी इकडनं अनुभवलेला. आधी TVत, मग स्टेडियम, आज ग्राउंडवरती आलो होतो. ह्यासाठी मी नदीम सरांचे, संपूर्ण MCAचे मनापासून आभार मानतो की आमच्यासारख्या कलाकारांना आज तुम्ही इथे बोललो, जो मान दिलात त्याबद्दल धन्यवाद. आणि सगळ्या प्लेयर्सला, दोन्ही टीम्सला, सगळ्या प्लेयर्सला माझ्याकडून, माझ्या मित्रपरिवाराकडून खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. भविष्यात आम्ही तुम्हाला लवकरच इंटरनॅशनल टीममध्ये, रणजीमध्ये आणि सगळीकडे बघू. जोक म्हणजे आज मला इकडे बोलवलं ते सगळ्यात मोठं जोक आहे. नाही म्हणजे मी थोडा नर्वस झालेलो आहे खरं सांगतो. वरती सर, दिलीप सर, वेंकसकर कसं बसलेले आहे, त्याच्यामुळे मला कळत नाही मी काय बोलू, कारण मी नर्वस आणि साईडला कोपऱ्यात गप्पपणे शांतपणे बसलेलो आहे की मला नका सांगू, मी फक्त बसतो आणि हे कंटिन्यू राहू द्या. हॅलो एव्हरीवन, आय एम गौरव मोरे फ्रॉम पवई फिल्टर पाडा. विजेत्या टीमचे मनापासून आभार आहे आणि दुसऱ्या टीमला पण मी खूप शुभेच्छा देईन आणि मला पुन्हा आज इथे बोलल्याबद्दल मी सगळ्यांचे मनापासून आभार मानतो. थँक्यू सो मच.
Thank you so much, Gaurav.
आलोणी नमस्कार सगळ्यांना. काय समजले व्यासपीठावर सगळे आपले आमचे सगळे दिग्गज माणसं आणि तुम्ही सर्व आज फार आनंद वाटतोय सगळ्यांचा आणि आम्हाला इथे आज इन्व्हाइट करून आज आमचा आनंद इतका सॉलिड म्हणजे असा आनंद वाटलेला आहे की ते मी काही शब्दात सांगू शकत नाही. काय समजले आणि फार म्हणजे जसा गौरव बोलला की फक्त आम्ही टी व्हीत मॅचेस बघत होतो, वानखेडे स्टेडियम बघत होतो. आज प्रत्यक्ष वानखेडे स्टेडियममध्ये आम्हाला येण्याचं तुम्ही निमंत्रण दिलं आणि थँक्यू नदीमभाई. फार अनुभवायला मिळालं, मैदानामध्ये फिरता आलं आणि काय क्रिकेट आहे म्हणजे टी व्हीवर बघणं आणि इथे येऊन बघणं याचा जो आनंद आहे फार म्हणजे फारच म्हणजे माझ्याकडे शब्दच नाही याच्यासाठी आणि फार फार धन्यवाद. आणि ज्याप्रमाणे आता ही जी तरुण मुलं क्रिकेट खेळत आहेत आणि ही आता मुलं आपल्याला त्यानंतर इंटरनॅशनल टीममध्ये किंवा रणजीमध्ये आपल्याला बघायला मिळणार आहेत, त्यांच्यासाठी माझ्याकडनं खूप खूप साऱ्या शुभेच्छा आणि फार फार धन्यवाद परत देतो. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच. आम्हाला इथे बोलवलं, खूप खूप धन्यवाद. थँक्यू.
Thank you so much. Now talking about our main man, the legend, the myth, as always, Mr. Dilip Vengsarkar. Before I tell you about him, let me tell you he's one of the most humble cricketers you will ever meet in a lifetime. I know right now he's looking at me and he's saying in his mind, do not even say an introduction about me. That's what he's thinking right now. But I'll still say this about him. Lord of Lords, our dear Mr. Dilip Vengsarkar, former India cricketer, India captain, cricket administrator, a man who's etched forever in the glorious history of Indian cricket. A pillar of the golden era of Indian batting, the most elegant stroke players we'll ever see in our lifetime. At the pinnacle of his career, he was rated as the best batter of his time, a member of India's legendary 1983 World Cup winning team. His contribution to Indian cricket goes much beyond runs scored. He's been extremely supportive of school cricket, grassroots cricket, nurturing young little children for a very long time now. In fact, he scored a century at Lord's in the year 1986, thereby attaining the distinction of scoring 3 consecutive Test match centuries at Lord's, creating history. He's been a visionary role in shaping modern Indian cricket. I'm sure everybody knows this. MS Dhoni, Virat Kohli, and of course, who else? Can you tell me? There's one more player, Virat Kohli, there's Dhoni, and there's one more player who's been the captain of... Yes, it is Rohit Sharma. You're absolutely right. He was the one who's instrumental in shaping, nurturing, finding them, using his special powers to help them generate back into Indian cricket, and he's been such a big dynamic figure for us at Harris and the Gyle Shield. Sir, thank you so much for coming today. It's an honor to have you. The mic is all yours. You can say a few words now.
It's been a great privilege to be here this afternoon for the Harris Shield function. And after watching all the felicitations, I can safely say that Nadeem Memon will win the next election by huge margin. There is no doubt he has not left anybody for that matter. चुन के सबको दिया. Heartiest congratulations to Anjuman Islam for winning the trophy. I'd like to Al Barkat. Anjuman has been, as you said, winning this trophy for a long time. In the olden days, I stayed in Wood, dread to play against Mumbai, against Bombay. And in school cricket, we used to dread to play against Anjuman Islam. I mean, that is the aura they had. And they would win Harry Shield, Gale Shield every year. For so many years they won. And their contribution to Mumbai cricket has been huge. Al Barkat has come up a long way, and for the last 6-7 years, they've been one of the top teams in Mumbai cricket, school cricket. And heartiest congratulations to all the faculty of both the schools and the coaches, and of course, all those who guide you, because you are the future players of Mumbai cricket and Indian cricket. I was one of you when I used to play Gale Shield and Harry Shield, but there are few guys who go on to play for India and for a long time. That requires discipline and for dedication, focus and passion for the game. So that is what I can easily say that amongst you, I think there might be Virat Kohli, or Bumrah, Rohit Sharma or Sachin Tendulkar. So I can say that I think be disciplined and be focused on the game. That is what matters. Don't look for shortcuts. Just work hard, because there is no substitute for hard work. And if you work hard on your own, don't look for somebody, a club ka secretary kone, a club ka selector kone, whatever. Just focus on the game. If you do well, nobody can stop you. So all the very best to you guys. And of course, Mumbai Cricket Association, they have been fantastic in permanent school cricket. Unfortunately, college cricket is missing in this line because Bombay University is just not bothered about cricket, which is very unfortunate indeed, because I think college cricket is supply line to Mumbai cricket, and which is choking now because there is no college cricket. And that I would blame the entire Bombay University as well as the Vice Chancellor as well. So they have to wake up and do something for the sports, especially cricket. And all those who are present here, former cricketers, like Ghulam, he played against me in the Gale Shield for Anjuman Islam, which we won. Ghulam was there as well, and then of course Zulfi joined him later. But sir, very well done, because Anjuman Islam, we used to practice on Anjuman Islam ground as a Bombay school team. I think you may not know that. And Tawfiq Hussain was our coach. And huge contribution. And all the best to all the guys who come here. I can only say that the man of the match, the entire thing was Nadeem Memon. And very well done. And thank you once again. God bless you all. Thank you.
Tad Vishwakarma and Arav Yadav, who scored 141. I think it has been absolutely phenomenal. So these records are etched for a lifetime. So thank you, Al Barkat. Thank you, Anjuman, for these records. We will cherish them for a lifetime. I think before we start with the main awards, I'd like Mr. Nadeem Memon and of course Dilip Sarkar sir to felicitate both our umpires for today, Nikhil Patil as well as Sameer Dhirwane. Please can you come up on stage? In fact, we have Mr. Marcus Couto, match observer. Sir, please can we have you on stage as well? But we still remember our umpires and everyone associated with this match. Thank you, Marcus sir, for being here all through, supporting us in every aspect of the game. Do I have Mrs. Satish Singh as well? Scorer, is he here? Satish, are you here today? Okay, he's not here. I request Mr. Ramesh Mamulkar, pitch curator of the Wankhede Stadium, to please come forward. Sir, thank you so much for a great 22 yards we've had over the last 3 days. A big round of applause. The man, the unsung hero of the Wankhede Stadium's 22 yards. A big round of applause. Thank you, Mamulkar ji.
ओवल की शान नदीम दिन का सपना क्रिकेट कमाल, कई साल स्कूल क्रिकेट संभाली, हैरिस गाइल्स की परंपरा संभाली, उम्र की जात से किया सुधार.
Also, sir, I request you last two felicitations, both our bands for being present here. Firstly, can I have Anjuman Islam, the band of Anjuman Islam, a big round of applause for it.
लड़कियों को भी मिला खेलने का हक, हर खिलाड़ी को मिला सच्चा पलक, एमसीए से बन खेड़े का नजारा, नदीम ने ही सबको दिलाया सहारा. मैदान डरे, मैदान साफ, न कोई झूठा न कोई खिलाफ, विश्व के सितारे चमके यहाँ, नदीम का सपना सबके लिए जहाँ. ना मिसयूज ना अंधेरा, मैदान रहेगा सबका बसेरा. पानी
Holy Prophet English High School, Mumra, can I have a representative as well as the band to come forward and collect a felicitation on behalf of all of us. A big round of applause for them as well. Thank you so much. I now request Dr. Unmesh Khanvilkar, Mr. Nadeem Memon and Dr. Zahid Qazi to felicitate the Special Coaches Award. Firstly, can I have the runner-up coaches, Al Barkat MMI English School, can I have their head coach, Mr. Nafees Khan, to please come forward and collect their special award. Also, can I have Mr. Kishore Kuawala to please also come forward. Mr. Kishore Kuawala. Felicitating Mr. Nafees Khan, runner-up, Al Barkat MMI English School. Also, Mr. Ghulam Farkar Mentor, Anjuman Islam. Also, a big round of applause to Mr. Wahid Sheikh, Abid Khan, and the entire support staff of Anjuman Islam. Well done. Starting off with the individual award. Anjuman Islam for his 5 matches, 8 innings, high score of 234, 100, 2 half centuries and a total of 488 runs. On to you. I request Mr. Karsan Khavi, Mr. Nadeem Memon as well to come and give away the award. Kadu sir, please.
वही मैदानों को संवारता है एक नाम, नदीम मेमन मैदान में.
Can I have the cricket kit? Can I have the cricket kit as well, please? All these kits have been sponsored by Yashasvi Jaiswal, so a big round of applause for that as well.
दिन का सपना क्रिकेट कमाल, कई साल स्कूल क्रिकेट संभाली, हैरिस गाइल्स की परंपरा संभाली.
Well done, Golu. And most importantly, the best all-rounder goes to Yuvan Sharma from Anjuman. 28 wickets, 5 matches and 211 runs. What a fabulous season this youngster has had. Another name to watch out for in Mumbai cricket. Mr. Sanjay Padil as well as Dr. Unmesh Khanvilkar will felicitate him. That is also the captain of the team. A big round of applause for Yuvan Sharma. medals as well as the certificates. Can I have the Al Barkat MMI English School, Kurla, the captain, please lead your team onto the stage.
यांना दोघांना काढ. ए बॉस, ए विनो, याला दोघांना काढ. त्याला बोल इकडून नको देऊ.
Also, I request the coach as well to come up. Well done, team. I now request the winning team, as well as their coach later on, coming up on stage. A big round of applause for the champion of the world 29th Irish Shield, Anjuman Islam Malala. I request the entire support staff of Anjuman Islam to please come up on stage and also meet our dignitaries. I can't leave you behind, so later on please come up on stage. Our friend. Can I have Dr. Dimple Joshi as well? Can I have your stage as well? I'll tell you. Of Mumbai and someday Indian cricket. A big round of applause. Thank you so much to all of you for being present, as well as the entire media fraternity for the great coverage over the last 1 hour. Can I have the entire MSSC coordinators team to please come and take a picture with our dignitaries? The entire MSSC coordinators team.
फोटो है ना, फोटो का काढू